If you're looking for dependable RCA connectors that blend seamlessly with your setup, Leviton's QuickPort RCA connectors deliver just that. Designed to fit perfectly within Leviton housings, these connectors come in both feed-through and 110 style options, making them versatile for a range of applications. What sets these connectors apart is their thoughtful design. The body colors match Leviton housings for a clean, unified look, while the barrels stick to industry-standard colors for easy identification. The quick snap-in connection type simplifies installation, whether you're mounting on a surface, flush, or using a patch panel. Built from high-impact plastic, these connectors offer durability without sacrificing style. The white body with a black stripe adds a subtle contrast that complements any multimedia outlet system. Plus, they hold all approval for both Canada and the US, so you know they meet strict safety standards. Users praise the sturdy feel and perfect fit, especially within Leviton's multimedia outlet system. One customer highlighted how the connectors add a custom, professional touch while maintaining solid performance. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or working on a tube-amp project, these connectors bring reliable connectivity right where you need it. The gold-plated connectors ensure clear signal transmission, reducing interference and maintaining audio quality. This makes them ideal for anyone who values crisp, clean sound in their audio or video setups. Plus, their female-to-female configuration offers flexible connection options without hassle. If you're assembling a custom multimedia outlet or patch panel, Leviton QuickPort RCA connectors are worth a look. They combine easy installation, solid build quality, and aesthetic consistency, making your setup look as good as it performs. Ready to upgrade your connection points with reliable, well-designed RCA connectors? Leviton's QuickPort series offers what you need: durability, safety certification, and a sleek finish that fits right in. Try them when you're ready to bring seamless connectivity to your space.